Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. I finally bit the bullet and bought myself a birthday gift. Guys, I got the Sony Z1 camera and today is my first day filming with it. I'm so excited. In today's video, I'm going to show you my take on the clean girl makeup trend. So without further ado, let's get into it. I think skincare prep is really important for this look, and I've already applied my morning skincare, and I use my CeraVe wash for acne, and then for my moisturizer I use my Superfood Air Whip moisturizing cream. I want to use a glowy base today, so the glowiest product I have right now is a tinted moisturizer by Wet n Wild. This guy here. So I'm going to use that, but this shade is a little bit dark for me, so I'm going to mix that with my MAC Face and Body foundation. This is in the shade N1, and this one, the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, is in the shade Light. And I'm going to apply both products with my hands. I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend this out. You can use a glowy primer if you want to. I would have if I had some, but I'm out of all of my glowy primers. So let's do the brows really quick. I'm going to use my Anastasia. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. Okay, I hope that's better. I still gotta learn my way around this camera. Hopefully this footage will turn out okay. Like I said, this is my first time filming with this. But I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, tinted brow gel in the shade Granite, as usual. I have very sparse brows, and I don't like to fill them in because I feel like it looks so artificial when I do that. So I just use a brow gel always. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply a liquid blush. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Love. And how I apply this is I put some on the palm of my hand, and then I take my Sephora 56 brush and then tap the excess and then apply it. I'm not going to be using a bronzer today because I feel like for this look a bronzer is too much, because this is a clean girl makeup look. So the more product you add to your face, the more artificial it's going to look. So I'm just going to use a blush, and I'm gonna opt out from using a bronzer for this look. That's just my preferred way of going about this look. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Let's use a highlight. I'm using my BECCA Champagne Pop because I think it'll go well with this look, with this blush. I forgot to add some concealer, so let's do that now. I'm going to use my Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 4. And I'm using a very minimal amount of this. Okay, I think my base is looking pretty good. Now for the eyes, you can use any one and done color shimmery shade. I'm going to use my Shiseido Shimmering Cream Eye Color. This is in the shade GR125. This is a nice wash of green color. I think that it pops my brown eyes. So green and brick red shades and brown goes really well with your brown eyes. So I'm going to use this shade. You can also use a beige color shimmer on your eyes. That would also look great. But I want to use some sort of, just something on my eyes, you know? And I'm going to put that on my crease and my lid. I'm going to blend this out with my fluffy brush. This is a Sigma E25. And I'm not applying any product on my lower lash line. So next, I'm going to apply a mascara. And I want to use a brown mascara because I think it'll look more natural. And I'm going to use my Viewless Fake It mascara. You can only get this mascara from Turkish drugstores, unfortunately. But this is the best brown mascara that I've ever tried. I do have a mascara showdown video where I try all of my mascaras and rank them. So I will link that above for you. Now that I have this camera, I feel like filming and editing will be much more fun. I can already see myself so clearly on the little screen, and I'm just so excited for this, guys. I hope that the quality of my videos will be better from now on and that you can enjoy them. But now, let's do the lips. I wanted to use this Rare Beauty lip pencil in the shade Bold. This is a darker peachy color, and I think it'll look good with my blush color. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. I don't like overlining because I don't think it looks good on me, but you can do whatever you prefer. And then I'm gonna apply my DIOR Lip Maximizer. What I like about this look is that I've been filming for 13 minutes, and if I wasn't talking, I could do this look in like 8 minutes. So what I like about it is that it looks so natural and clean, and it's just a nice look, you know, nice everyday look. But now let's powder our face. I'm using my Wet n Wild Bare Focus Finishing Powder, and I'm gonna take some of this on my T-zone. Now the last thing I'm going to do is to add a setting spray. I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus in Coconut. That feels good. And we're at the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think of this look and this footage. Would you rather me focus the camera more, or was this okay? And please let me know what kind of content you would like to see from me. Now that I have a good functioning camera, I'm not filming with my computer, I feel like I can create more content for you guys. But anyway, this is my take on the clean girl makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!